24 News at 5.
Oh, where does the salad fork go, and what does a lady do with her hands while sitting?
Well, a Memphis businesswoman teaches those types of manners and etiquette to local teens. See your students in action in tonight's Local Biz. These young ladies make up the current class at Carolyn's Finishing Academy in downtown Memphis. From the right way to walk,
so it doesn't drip,
to eating soup properly. Attention to detail is Carolyn Yancey's specialty. She founded CFA in 1999. Hundreds have graduated from her semester-long program.
When they finish the program, they have opened up and they have blossomed like a rose. It is an amazing transformation that occurs.
Parents of graduates like Kendra Hill witnessed that transformation proudly.
It's an internalization of self-worth, teaching you self-value.
While many students pay for this knowledge, several have received scholarships through a deal with Shelby County Schools. Cynthia Robertson's daughter was a scholarship recipient.
You have to function in this world. Why? You might as well do it gracefully.
14-year-old Joanna Robertson has only been in the program for a few weeks. Her voice is affected by fused vocal cords, a condition she was born with. CFA has given her a boost in self-confidence.
I believe throughout this journey I'll be getting my self-esteem up a little bit higher.
Juanita Nolan, an 8th grader, is growing through Yancey's program as well.
She's helped me, see a different side of things. Instead of me just doing what everybody else is doing, I can be my own unique person.
It seems to be a lost art.
Through CFA, Yancey is preserving the art of charm and etiquette for another generation.
Very pretty.
As you kind of saw there, modeling and acting is included in the program as well. Yancey is trying to get manners and etiquette as a part of the curriculum in Shelby County Schools. If you know of a local biz I need to check out, email me at biz@localmemphis.com, send me a message on our Local Memphis Facebook page, or tweet. Use the hashtag LocalBiz.
Well, as I like to say, the ladies were strutting, weren't they, in that story?
They're walking gracefully.
That's right.
Picked up on it very quickly.
They were sashaying. That's RuPaul for you.
Three books. She's supposed to feel like that. That spanned over 100 years of Beale Street history. Take me back to Beale.
I see.
Looks like that. Book 1, Before the Red Ball. Book 2, During the Red Ball. Book 3, After the Red Ball. You must see. We don't care what. Take me back to Beale. Take me back to Beale. A Carolyn's Finishing Academy film. In a world where evil is the norm,
for my people to be saved from the plot of annihilation that's being planned against them.
Hello, Mr. Heyman.
one woman
Who knows? You might have been brought to this place for such a time as this.
courageously steps forward
Always.
to fight for people and the cause.
They're planning something terrible.
What are you doing? Got something in his phone number.
Are you threatened?
A woman needs a love that would die for her.
One woman
The deliverance of my people.
who became
What would people say? What would they think?
a hero.
FBI freeze!
Night, sir.
Esther. Coming soon. A modern day version of the biblical account of Esther.
Nicholas Chastain, a graduate of Carolyn Finishing Academy, is now appearing on the award-winning soap opera The Young and the Restless.
You sure don't want something to drink? I heard someone say the orange juice was freshly squeezed.
Awesome, that.
Right here. I'll bring it to you.
Doesn't look to you like your mommy's around to help you out, Dan. In fact, it isn't gonna be a fight. It's gonna be a beating.
Don't hurry. See, a beating isn't just about the pain. I mean, pain's bad. But knowing that you're gonna get all messed up and take weeks and weeks to get better and might not ever be like you were before, that's fear. And I love to see fear. Other people's fear.
I'm not afraid of you, Alex.
Come on. Show me what you got.
My advice and get out of
Tune
here
in
before
at
someone sees you.
11 a.m. Central Standard Time on CBS Channel 3 to watch Nicholas Chastain, a graduate of Carolyn's Finishing Academy, on The Young and the Restless.
Another handsome young model, y'all. Steven Bones is wearing a business casual, all black slacks, black shirt, and yes, dress shoes with a pink bow tie and suspenders from K&G Fashion. All right, Steven. I love to see these young men doing positive things. Isn't that right, y'all? That's why you gotta give them some love. Make some noise! Oh, wow. Let's hold it right there. We have Terrence. Terrence! He is wearing a three-piece blue suit, and this suit is provided by Suits You. Men's Clothing. Memphis, Tennessee, they have 3 locations, y'all. 4835 American Way. 1223 East Shelby Drive. 6297 Winchester at the Hickory Commons Mall. That is from Suits You, where we really suit you. Give us a love. That's Carolyn. Gorgeous, handsome suit. I like it. Oh, here they go again. Another young man, smiling prominently. This is Joshua Marshall. This store is provided, suit brother is provided by Milano store. Milano Men Fashion Store. Okay? It's a great single breasted suit, white dress shirt. Stacey Adams shoes. Green gold bow tie handkerchief. Alright, I just gotta think a little bit about Milano.
Right on time to find a pretty lady who's on my mind. I got plenty money, oh, but what am I to do? 'Cause money don't matter if I don't have